Hi, this is Sue from Createful Journals, and thank you so much for picking up our customizable color by templates pack. So I just wanted to give you a quick video overview of the pack so that you know how to use it. So when you first download the pack, you will get the files in here. So you've got the overlays, affirmations, all these the PowerPoint versions, and then you have your customizable, the Canva templates are in here. Now you'll see this file here, create a new color by template. So that's like the instructional one, which I have open here. So we just go through it quickly. So we've got instructions in here. So you just want to read through all of that. And then we've got some ideas of what type of color and numbers that you could create. So we've got St. Patrick's Day coming, Earth Day, Mother's Day. There's educational topics, mindful and motivation in here. And then go to the next one. And then these are the types of color by. And when we look at the template, you'll see what I mean. So we can do color by letter, color by sight word, CVC word, so all the way through the list here. So you can see there's lots of different ones. It doesn't just have to be a color by number one. So that's going to help you to make it a little different. And then we've got some ideas to pair with the colors. And so yellow is every day is a new beginning, so you can use those if you like. And we've got all the hex codes for you in here. And of course, with PowerPoint and Canva, you can just come and use the eyedropper to pick up these colors to get them into your templates. And next we have the Valentine's color palette, which, you could use this for anything that's love themed, because, obviously we're right at Valentine's almost. So anything love, even you could use some of these for Mother's Day as well. So there's different ways that you could use these color palettes here. And then we've got the Mother's Day colors here. So we've got some more ideas for you, just to give you some ideas. Okay, so let's go over into PowerPoint, and when you open up the file, this is what you're going to see. So we've got the image here, we've got all the lines and a border drawn for you. Now this is where we've left the space up here, so you can take the ideas from the list that you just looked at, and you can do color by numbers, letters, math equations, CVC letters, anything that you want to do. So we've got enough room up here. So you can put the name if you want the date, and then you can put the different the colors, whether it's questions or just whichever color that you want to do. And then all you would need to do is, once you've decided on how you're going to do this, you're going to come in here and you're going to choose your color palette, and then you're going to put 1 is blue, 2 is red, or ABC, however you want to do it. So that's the part that you would still need to fill in here to get the finished product. Now, you'll also see in the file that we gave you some overlays, so we can use those as well. So I'll just show you what they look like. So just have a new slide here. So what I would do is come to the home button, and then in PowerPoint, you go to reuse slides, and then you're just going to open up the overlays. Okay, now I've already opened it in here. And then the next one we want the overlays. So you come and choose the overlays, and then you can see on the side there's different, we just did different combinations of lines just to get you started, and you can change these up, and I'll show you how to do that. So you can pick whichever one you want here. So we've made some full page and then some smaller, so you can insert whichever one that you wanted on the page. So let's just do a full page one. So you're just going to click on that, and it's automatically going to pop onto the slide here. So then what I did is I just went into, I can show you here, like if you go to insert, now PowerPoint does have some icons in here. So you want to either find icons. Another place to get icons is the Noun Project, or you can find them on Creative Fabrica, Teachers Pay Teachers, or if you've got black and white clip art images that you can use, so something that you can use in there. So I just came in here and just picked up one for an example. So you would just select the one that you want and then click the insert button here, and then it's going to download into the file. So I did this teapot one. So when you do this, now you can see I've got all the lines in here. So this would be a step that you need to just change. So I would just take out these lines here. So click on each line, and then we're just going to basically pull it all the way down into here. So we've removed that line. And then this would be the same here. So we could just click on it and then move this down to here. And then we need to just move these two, so we can just bring them right down. Oops, I didn't want to move. Okay, so we just bring it down to the teapot there, and then this one here, we can, maybe this one we would bring over a little bit more. So you can change the line. So if you wanted to add more, you could just click on one line, do Control D to duplicate it, and then you can just move the line to wherever you would want. And then of course, just make sure that it goes into the border, which is one of the reasons why we made the border a little thicker, so that we can hide the join lines in here. So this is how you would do this. Okay, so we still need to fix this one. Okay, so let's just take, oops. Okay, so let's just take that right to the handle there. And then maybe we'd want to put one in here. So it doesn't matter which one that you duplicate. So you can do copy and paste or just controls, D, and pick that one up. And maybe we just want to put that one in here. So it's quite easy to customize these, so even if we're a lot of people using the same overlays and the same pattern, it's very easy to change it here. And then once you're happy with it, so we have to do this one here. So let's just move that one into there. And then I would probably just, you could even try and insert a line here. I've just used this for an example, but you probably want to have an image that has the clotheslines in here. So that's how you can edit it to make it different. And then you'll see we've already got some in here. So we've done this one here. And again, if you want to make more lines, you can. And then you would just put your code on the top here. And then this one is the one for mum. And again, you don't have to always just do images. You can do letters and then just have all the lines behind here. And then if you wanted to change the lines, then you can use some of these overlays in here just to help you get along. So that should hopefully help you get going with these. Then obviously once you're done, just save them as PNG files or save them into a PDF, and then they're ready to go. So if you have any other questions, please let me know, and then I will do another video if needed. Okay, so thanks again for picking up this pack. Have fun with it. And again, it was Sue from Createful Journals. Thank you so much.